Hey guys, welcome back to my freaking YouTube channel. I am so irritated because, for one, look at my motherfucking nails. You guys see these? I'm about to go get them done right now. But I'm really upset because I was trying to refilm, what the hell? I was trying to record a video of me doing this freaking eyeshadow because I do it all the time and everybody be asking me what I was doing, so I was gonna do a video on it. Tell me why, because y'all know I record, I keep wanting to say refilm, what the fuck. I record off my freaking phone, and I didn't know I didn't have any storage because I thought I like deleted shit. I thought I was gonna have storage or whatever, but no, your girl was recording, thinking I'm recording stuff, and I'm like, oh, I'm done with my eyes and shit. I go to check, it stopped me at 1 minute and 53 freaking seconds, and I'm just like, what the fuck was that? And I'm just like, the fuck. Whatever. So I decided, like, okay, you're already right here, you're already filming, your fucking makeup's done, you're not about to wipe it off. I'm not about to wipe it off, I'm about to go get my nails done. So I was like, you know what, people have been asking about this lip combo that I be wearing on my lips, so I just did a little short video finishing up the rest of my makeup, doing my freaking lips, showing y'all what I use on my freaking lips. But y'all, I'm so mad because I was struggling just doing that little short part of the freaking video, and I'm sorry that I keep looking in the camera and then I look at the back of my phone, because the back of my phone is like, you know, I can see myself, so I'm looking at the back of my phone, I'm looking at the camera. But I'm so irritated because now I'm gonna have to do that over again. But I'm gonna just insert the little clip of me doing my eyeshadow anyways, how I started off anyways, just so you guys can see how I started off. But I'll do a whole nother other video for you guys about how I did this freaking eyeshadow. Y'all don't understand how fucking irritating I am. But anyways, if you guys, I don't even know what I was about to say, but if you guys want to see how I did this little lip combo, then just keep on watching. Thank you. So hey you guys, this is that short ass freaking clip I was telling you guys about when I started recording and my damn video cut off on me. I thought I was getting somewhere, but I just took my Too Faced Chocolate Gold palette and I used the shade, what is it, Cocoa Truffle. I put that in my crease and I was just blending it out. You guys don't understand how freaking irritated I was. I really thought I was getting somewhere, and your girl goes to check her progress and my phone was dark. I guess I didn't have storage on my phone at all, so the freaking video stopped recording. But right here, I'm applying these falsies. They're from Polka BBP Lashes, and they're in the style Boss. These are like my go-to eyelashes. I wear them like every time you see me on Instagram with lashes on. I either have these ones on or another pair of lashes. They kind of look similar, but I really love these eyelashes. They're so comfy, you cannot tell they're on your eyes, and they're dramatic but not too dramatic. I'll also still list everything that I used on my eye in the description bar below. I'm not sure, but I think all the eyeshadows I used are from the Too Faced Chocolate Gold palette, guys. In here, I'm going in with my NYX Professional Eye Pencil in the color light brown. I don't know, some of the eye pencils that I use from NYX, I like to use them as lip liners because they're perfect. This one is my go-to lip liner that I use with my nude lip combo all the time. So here it is for you guys. I used to use the dark brown, but when I found the light brown one, I was like, oh yes, it looks more of a nude color to me. So this is my go-to.
Say she give me feel one, say let me the villa one, say she give me feel more one. Mother one say she give me for me, y'all say enter the radar. Now you they mash up the place, enter the radar.
By the way, I didn't want to speed anything up for you guys since the video was already super short, so I just decided to keep all the videos, you know, the exact same. I just clipped them because some of this stuff was just like, you know, there.
Can you feel up my pants? Let's have a
Here I'm using my Carity liquid lipstick in the color Sugary Sweet. This one is another one of my go-to lip colors for my nude lip. Also, I do use the one from NYX. It's a lipstick. It's the color London. That's another one of my go-tos. And the colors are pretty similar, but I couldn't find that one, so for the sake of this video, I just used this one.
Oh, that's it.
Standard.
Here I'm using my Nabi Cosmetics eyeliner pencil in the color light brown. This one kind of gives me more like a orange tone in my lips, so I use that to blend the liquid lipstick and the light brown from mixed together. It just pulls everything all together, so I use that here.
Me, I be the one that bless me. Them bagger come can't taste me. Them bagger come can't taste me.
Y'all, let me put y'all on. Y'all need to pick this up. Go to their Instagram, Ritzy Cosmetics. This is their nude lip gloss in the shade Rich, and let me tell you guys, it lasts so long. And I'm a fan of like thick lip glosses, and this one is thick, and it's a nude lip gloss. I use this one on a daily basis, even if I'm not wearing any makeup or anything, because it gives the perfect light brown tint to your lips. Y'all, I'm gonna have this in the description for y'all, because this is my favorite nude lip gloss.
I tell them, bad man and yo, me I vex them.
And lastly, for my lips, to make them extra freaking glossy, I use my Beauty Treats LA Moisturizing Aloe Lip Gloss. This is like my go-to lip gloss, and it makes my lips look so bomb. Look at this, y'all cannot tell me I am not popping. So that was really it for the little tutorial I was showing you guys on my lips. But right here I took my Maybelline Fit Me powder in the color 330 Toffee, and I blended out the powder I had on my face. The powder I had on my face is the Hourglass Veil translucent powder. It's like heaven, you guys. It makes my skin look super smooth. Like in person it looks so smooth. You guys can't really tell in the camera because I use my ring light, and that light is bright and it's so harsh. I don't have anything to soften it with, so you guys can't tell, but in person it makes me look super soft, and I love it so much. It's my favorite thing. Here I was just contouring my face a little bit with the Black Radiance True Complexion Contour Palette. I used the medium dark one. The other one is too light for me, so I used that one. It's my go-to palette, y'all. You should see how it looks. It looks like all freaking beat up, but this is my go-to stuff, you guys. But anyways, I'm so sorry that this video was super duper short, you guys, but I didn't know that the video stopped recording until after I was done. But right here I'm using my Hustle and Glow highlighter in the color Reina. This is my go-to one. It's perfect for like brown skins and like deeper skin tones because it's gold, and I use this one on a freaking daily basis, y'all. This is my fucking go-to. I'm gonna put y'all on. They're gonna be tagged. It's by Hustle and Glow, and it's a loose highlighter. So if you guys are not into that, then this ain't for you. Here I'm using the same highlighter. I'm just putting it into my inner corner of my eyes, y'all, because they need to pop like me. But thank you guys for watching my video, because this is the end of my short ass sad ass video, but I had to still post it for you guys. So I hope you guys like this video, and if you do, please give it a thumbs up and comment on what you guys want to see down below. Love you guys. See you guys in my next video. Bye.
So you really meant for the girls, may they come true, come true. Bad man, say she want, say she really want, she try to really want. Calm down, take it slow. Say the girl, let me come in me yard, them a give me low. If you tripping, let me know what you really want. Is it riding with me or you really dirt? Them a girls, them a tell me that you really not. Make up your mind, let me know if you really got. No, 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 no. See the beat of a bad man, but drop the beat, then a bad man, but drop the beat. See the beat of a bad man, but drop the beat, then a bad man, but drop the beat.
So I'm back with the finished look, you guys. I know you guys already probably seen it in the beginning of the video. Like, why the fuck can I talk? I hope, but I already know you guys seen it in the beginning of the video. But I just want to come back and say thank you guys for watching my video. Please give this a thumbs up and comment down below what other videos you guys want me to see, because I don't be knowing what to post and shit. Like, I don't really wear dramatic makeup or nothing like that, but I think I'm gonna probably get out my bubble and probably do some like dramatic eyeshadow and shit if y'all want to see that. But comment down below what you guys want to see on my channel, and I will put all the stuff in the description bar of what I used on my lips for you guys, because you guys always ask. So thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.